What is up, guys? So today I wanted to talk to you about Bitcoin. Now, on Sunday night, I ended up buying an additional couple $1,000s worth of Bitcoin, knowing that when you buy it on Coinbase, you buy the coins, but then it doesn't necessarily deposit right away. So I was looking at it and I was like, all right, man, like this could be potentially the week that it goes past 5,000. Like, wouldn't that be crazy if that's actually what happened? And so, sure enough, what happened last night? It went to not only 5,000, but it exceeded that and it went to $5,200, where it's still hovering around that space right now. So I'm pretty happy. Investing in this has been something that's been super fun and is not necessarily something that you have to have a ton of money in to make a good return on. And a lot of people are still speculating that it could get up to $10,000, which would be crazy. So you have a couple different strategies that you can do, right? Like you can hold on to it for the long term and it can continue to rise, and like you could turn $100 into a couple $1,000s. Or you could also do day trading, which is something that I haven't even gotten into. But there's just literally so many different options as far as what you can do with Bitcoin, and sky's the limit. But it takes patience, as well as the fact that like you have to get in when it's still on the rise. So most people are still learning about cryptocurrency. Like if you talk to like your parents, maybe some of them know, maybe some of them don't know. But for the most part, a majority of society is not even familiar with what cryptocurrency is, how it's going to change the world. And so because of that, they're missing out on kind of a gold rush in a sense of like right now, like there's so much opportunity with it that you could really be cashing in on how to leverage just your assets. Like investing in this is actually something that could give you a greater return than like if you're to do like your 401k or something, right? Like there's just so much potential here. And of course, there's always a risk that runs with it. But I wanted to show you guys this and check this out, right? So, like I said, I had just started investing in cryptocurrency maybe a little bit over a few months ago. And so at first, like I just put a small amount in, then I put a little bit more in, and then last week on Sunday night, I put in my largest amount that I've done so far. And as you can see here, right, we're hovering around $5,260 for today. And since yesterday, it rose $419, which is crazy. This is stuff that like you don't normally see this with like other stocks. Like, yeah, you might see it with maybe like an IPO, but the fact that like from right here at around 1248 yesterday, and it was $4,912, and now today it's all the way up here. That's just crazy. So people that are day trading this obviously are looking to make a significant return. But even if you're doing long term, like this is still phenomenal. Like you've made a ton of money just in a short period of time. And just from me investing last Sunday, I've already made a good amount of money from what I put in. And now I'm like, okay, do I want to start to do day trading, or do I want to just hold on to this a long term? There's also the option of I could be potentially transferring over some of this into my BitConnect account and lending out some of my earnings that I just made. This is just no excuse not to get into cryptocurrency right now. And it's so cool because you do not have to buy one full Bitcoin. You can buy percentages of it and you can still gain a significant return on your money. Even if you're only getting like, a couple extra dollars a day, like it's still something that's exciting, and you should definitely try this out. If you haven't gotten started on Coinbase, down below I have a link to where you can get started, but also definitely check out one of my previous videos about BitConnect as well, and how that's another asset that you guys can use to grow your Bitcoin. But if you guys have any questions, leave some comments below. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys soon.